Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a fun video. It is the washing machine that I've seen a lot of people do videos on this. And it's actually a kid's toy, but I've seen people use it for their beauty blenders or their brushes. I saw Laura Lee do it. I don't know who the original person was of the video, but today I'm going to be washing some brushes. I don't like washing my brushes. I haven't washed this one in a long time. So we'll see what happens and see if they actually get clean. Hi everyone, I had to put the camera down so we could see the angle of the washing machine. Okay, so I'm going to put some little cleaner inside of here. Well, maybe. Alright, I got the water inside of here. Now I'm going to turn it on. You can hear it going. And it's mixing the stuff up. There it goes. It's trying. Okay, I got it spinning. It's doing its thing. I don't know how long I should leave it in here. Let's give it a few minutes, a few seconds, whatever. I mean, this water is disgusting, guys. Like, disgusting. No, I shouldn't help it. Alright. I'm just going to wring it out because it's disgusting. And like I said, this brush hasn't been washed in a long time. And this is how clean it got it. I don't know if you can see it very well. Sorry. See it very well, but that's how clean it got it. I'm impressed. Now, let's see. When we drain it. Well, let's see. There it goes. I poured some out myself. So it actually drains, which is kind of cool. It actually works. It's kind of cool. So yeah, that's how dirty the water got. I don't know if you can see it. I'm trying to focus. I don't know if you can see it or not. All right, so let's try this. It's bright pink. I don't know if you can see it on camera very well. It looks white on camera, but it's like bright pink. I have this blue one too. I'll probably use the blue one because it shows up better. But I have this blue one. So we're going to add a little bit more solution. Okay. And then we turn it on, which I think is really cool. Because if you look inside. Alright. Alright, so it's not really spinning like the other. Oh, maybe? No. Alright. Okay, this one did come with a basket. Maybe I should try the basket. Maybe. There you go. The basket. Well, maybe not. Like, it wants to spinning. leave that in there for... I have to hold it. Like, where it's... Alright. This is just a few seconds in there. Like, maybe a minute. I don't know if you can see, but it is a little bit cleaner. Like, if I wipe it on this paper towel, I don't see no blue. It's just wet. So, it's probably... Yeah, it's probably just stained. Alright, let's try to strain some more of this water. I just think it's really neat that it actually drains. I really think that's neat. All right, and then the water, can't really see it. I think I'm gonna try one more brush and then I'm done. So pour some more cleaner in here. There we go. Which one? This one has a blue. It's from the Jeffree Star Blue Blood palette. I love that palette. But yes, that's what this blue is from. So let's put it in here. Let's try to shut it. The basket just makes the brush want to go everywhere. And see, I have to hold it. But it does actually it does clean the brushes. I will say that. Kind of fun. Might actually make you want to clean your brushes. Alright, let's check it. Just squeeze some of the excess water out. Check the paper. I don't see no color on there. See? No color. Alright. No color in my hand. Alright. It's just stained from the pigment in the palette. But for so far, I think it pretty much, it did what it said. Like, it said it would... Because some of it said beauty blenders and then some said children's toy, but it cleans it. I mean, it does. It's a fun way to clean it. The drain thing is fun. I really think that is fun. But yeah, I think I only paid like $3. Nothing really expensive. But anyway, I think it's a neat idea. Shout out to whoever did the video first. Please subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, MakeupMom2113. And thank you for watching my video. And I'll have my next video Sunday, which will be my 5th week of my weigh-in. I couldn't remember, but yeah, my 5th week of my weigh-in. So hope everybody has a good evening. Thank you.